the bones in his hand. They are trying their very best to repair it. And he's okay. He will be okay. I don't know who did it, why they did it, none of that. Me only can go no one update on how he's doing.
So now people, respect for tuning into another video. As I say, yeah, and from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the agenda today. As I say, and basically people, we're there with a sad story today. As I say, because basically popular Jamaican comedian and TikToker, World Dawg, yeah. Basically we are here, so World Dawg get caught up in Myanmar. As I say, and basically that is where World Dawg is from. And also it is said that one of World Dawg friend drop out, as I say, which is Joe. And basically Joe is also a Jamaican too. We come from Spanish Town. As I say, yeah, basically since recently World Dawg them start bringing me in the media certain way. And when me look upon these people, it's a very sad situation. As I say, if you know, say at the end of the day, just over the weekend, we sleep party them did there, enjoy themselves, and then for wake up to this morning, it's, you know, it's a very stressful situation, people. As I say, yeah, I just want everybody to know, say, at the end of the day, just pour out some prayer for World Dawg right now. You see me, I say, whether you hate him or what, because at the end of the day, you don't know, say, we don't wish these things on nobody. You see me, I said, nobody at all, people. You see me, I say, and at the end of the day, it is confirmed now. It is no longer alleged, but you don't know, say, most information is not out there as yet, people. You see me, I say. So basically, you don't know, say, by time goes on and goes on, you know, we all will hear more. You see me, I said. And basically, on the internet, after doing research and so forth, we hear, say, World Dawg get shot in him shoulder and so forth, you know. And baiting, we don't know if all of this is true. It is alleged, as I say, because at the end of the day, there is no such report where really put out, as I say, these are just the talk in the street, as I say, and people even start calling name and pointing finger, say, yo, this man and that man do it already, as I say, and at the end of the day, I would ask the people them, say, yo, to kind of refrain from that, because nobody no really know what go on except World Dawg them and the people them around World Dawg, as I say, like, you know what I mean, the Sicilian thing, but we all know that people since recently, Butter and World Dawg kick off, you see me I say, and Butter is World Dawg very close friend, you see me I say. Basically a World Dawg bust him on the internet, you see me I say, and in that confrontation, Butter come out and Butter start state a whole heap of thing about Squashman, and World Dawg say World Dawg a chat Squashman, and you know, gun missing and baiting people, and enough people say at the end of the day it come like a Butter a set up him on life, because suppose Squashman was a kind of man who if you believe everything when him sip on internet, you see me I say. And at the end of the day, people, why I say this, I say a Squashman do it. You see me I say, no, I don't think that, but I'm just saying that, you know, you have to beware of your friends them. And basically, people, when I look into all of this, what Butter go say on the internet, because him and World Dawg kind of kick off. You see me I say, all me have to say, yo, Butter come like a little girl child. You see me I say, because at the end of the day, I see World Dawg evil by Butter car. You see me I say, World Dawg deal with them man they good. But you don't know people. You see me I say, you have to be careful of the persons them want to call on a friend. You see me I say. So as what I said before, enough people also point finger upon Butter and I say, yo, a Butter cause it because based on the thing them when come talk on the internet what they you see me I say, enough people I say, yo, a Squashman dash him or just the same. In which way me no really believe that. You see me I say, people just I say a bag of thing because them no know what really go on. You see me I say, and at the end of the day to set speed, you don't know say, yo, World Dawg is a man where him kind of nice up the internet. You see me I say, yeah, whether you hate him or like him. You see me I say, and at the end of the day too, we know say World Dawg is kind of ignorant person where, you know, World Dawg and people always in a thing. You see me I say, so at the end of the day, World Dawg have a lot of enemies. You see me I say, so you can't just specifically point fingers at persons when, you know what I mean, you don't really know what go on. You see me I say, people. So no don't know as I said before, people. This is just a sad situation. You see me I say, yeah, you can check over Pink Wall and so forth, the information them there over there. You know what I mean? And basically also on CBS Miami news station. You see me I say, and you don't know people as we said before, speedy recovery to World Dawg. You see me I say. And you know people more time, and that's why we have to just enjoy life to the fullest. You see me I say, because at the end of the day we can day a good today and tomorrow is a different thing. You see me I say, people. And all of this incident with World Dawg people, yeah, it took place about after 3 last night. You see me I say, and you don't know, As what we say, it is confirmed now. It is no longer alleged, but at the end of the day, we still don't know the seriousness of World Dawg injury, as I say. But separate and apart from all of that, viewers and subscribers, yeah, we have just heard that World Dawg is recovering in hospital in a stable condition, as I say. Also, you know, somebody that already informed me, say it is alleged in the street that World Dawg has been shot in his shoulder. Yeah, basically, we don't know how true this is, as I say. But anyways, people, check out this video.
The bones in his hand, they are trying their very best to repair it, and he's okay. He will be okay. I don't know who did it, why they did it, none of that. Me only can go no one update on how he's doing, how Yannick is doing, and so forth. Well, to be honest, if Yannick is okay, well, Yannick is to be honest, Yannick is a nervous wreck right now. Yannick not tap ball every 10 minutes. Why? It rough. It rough pan her bad. Cause you know she having 2 kids them down there, and it's hard.
But you don't know, praise be to God, say at the end of the day, World Dawg is in a very stable condition right now, because basically people, it could have way more serious than this. As I may say, I've even seen a lot of persons on the internet saying that, yeah, World Dawg is dead, and you know, like people are look proud from all of this, as I may say. And basically when I look into this, yeah, me have just say to myself, say, yeah, we live in a very wicked world, as I may say, where even at your downest point, people still try put you down, you know what I mean? Like there is no remorse, people, as I say. But all in all, this is the only good news that we get out of this situation, as I say. And it's just sad for know, say at the end of the day, the comedian name a call up in a them thing, and this have to reach him, as I say. But as what I said before, speedy recovery, as I say, and big up to World Dawg, Sicily and him whole team, as I say. Yeah, you don't know, say, once you pray to God and you call up on God, World Dawg, him a go dead for you. Yeah, and you know, we all wish World Dawg a very speedy recovery, people, as I say, because you don't know, we don't wish this for nobody at all. And you know, to see the youth them just come out and enjoy themselves, and you know, nobody know for really bad mind World Dawg if you know where World Dawg come from as Facebook era, as I say. And then a whole heap of man them and the help in the business too. As I say, a whole heap of comedian, a whole heap of people in bus. As well we can see, you can see Swiss Lee. As I say, yeah, them man the help Swiss Lee from the ground coming up to West Swiss Lee there right now. As I say, and you don't know as well I say, people, this is just a quick update. And as I said before, people, just send out some prayers to World Dawg, as I say, because him really need it. Yeah, and at the end of the day, World Dawg just get a newborn baby to see him with. So you don't know World Dawg, you have to fight on and try push on. You know what I mean? And at the end of the day, for the people them who do this, brother, who gone too far now, dog. But anyways, people, like up the video. As I say, yeah, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV. And people, we will update you know as soon as we hear anything more that is, you know, real and authentic. As I say, but we don't know how we do the thing already. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.